So I just wanted to show you some of the Halloween cards I made using the Dancing Dahlias folio as an outline, as well as some of the shapes. I used old stamps from Stampin' Up. I had them, so I went ahead and used them, which is absolutely what you should do. So I'm just gonna kind of walk you through and show you what all these look like on the inside, just to give you some ideas and inspiration as you're trying to, you know, maybe make the Halloween holiday special for someone. And these papers are from Close to My Heart, I believe. I got a bundle of stuff at the Goodwill, and these just happened to be in there. I got very lucky. There were some very cute papers and stuff in there. And then the stamps are, like I said, from Stampin' Up. Oops. Oh, it helps if you take the paper clip off. Some of these do have the magnetic closures, and so I get those from Amazon. They are on my website, tenaciously.remembered.com, and you can go to supplies, suggested supplies and tools, and on there is a link to where you can get them. And just full disclosure, it is an affiliate program, so I will possibly get a little bit of money if you purchase from there. So that's a tuck, and then in here, place for a photo. And I did use a little bit, I don't know if you can tell with the light, I did use a little bit of distress spritz. I love distress spritz. And of course, stickles on here as well. Those are all also, you can find links to those at tenaciously.remembered.com as well. These have two pockets that overlap, just to make it extra special. Some more distress spritz there.